Unraveling the Meaning of Left Us, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to unravel. Left us. It's a simple yet profound expression used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help in both casual and formal conversations. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Left us is a phrase that combines the past tense of the verb leave with the pronoun us. When we say someone left us, we are generally indicating that a person has departed from our presence or is no longer part of a specific group or situation. 2.1 Physical departure. In its most literal sense, left us can mean that someone has physically moved away or left a place. Example, after the party, John left us to catch his train. 2.2 Ending a relationship or friendship. It can also signify the end of a personal relationship or friendship. Example, she left us after a small disagreement, and we haven't talked since. 2.3 Passing away. In a more somber context, left us can be a euphemism for someone passing away or dying. Example, Grandma left us last year after a long battle with illness. 2.4 Exiting a project or group. It can refer to someone exiting a project, group, or organization. Example, our lead designer left us last month to start his own company. Let's see how we can construct sentences using left us. Positive. He left us with enough resources to complete the project. Negative. When she left us, the whole team felt demotivated. Question. Why has he left us so early? The phrase, left us, can carry different tones depending on the context. Positive tone, when used in a context like leaving behind resources or good memories. Negative tone, when it refers to abandonment or the end of a relationship. Neutral tone, when it simply states the fact that someone has departed. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, left us. We've seen how it can be used in various contexts, each carrying its own emotional weight and implications. Understanding these nuances can greatly enhance your English communication skills, and we hope this video has been helpful in doing just that. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in different sentences to fully grasp its meaning and usage. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.